Hello and Happy New Year to you all. Today is January 3rd. On this video, I'm going to go over what we're going to learn by the end of this semester. On the second page of the syllabus, we have course learning outcome. I will post it here for you all to read. And I'm going to say, I'm sure you know that this machine learning is a huge topic these days. So let's start with human versus machine. As a human, we have different learning style. I have a 9-year-old boy who goes to, he's a fourth grader, and a 6 years old, she's a kindergarten. While I'm working with them on their daily assignments, I pay attention to how they learn. I notice that my son loves to memorize facts, and he hopes the teacher asks him same questions. This method very effective on his spelling test, but not very much on multiplication table. On the other hand, my daughter, who's learning count from 1 to 100 and sound different letters, I notice that she loves to practice and write them down on the paper. So as a human, we have different ways of learning. Your way of learning might be different from others, but overall, we have a similar learning style. The main idea for this course is we will learn how we have the computer learn without being explicitly programmed. One way to think about this is we write the program to the computer so that it can then take data and return outputs. I'm going to make a few examples on my computer. We're going to start with like prime factorization. So here is an example of traditional programming. I will use one of the functions that I wrote before, the prime factorization. I write the program. So this is a program, input it to the machine. My machine is this Jupyter. I run it. Now time to use it. So anytime I call the function and I input like 15, I get the prime factorization of 15. Let's have another example of 149. Let's see. So looks like it's prime. All right, another example, we can use built-in function in Python, like length of list 12, 13, 14, 15. So when we use this built-in function, we get the output, the list of number of elements inside of the list. One more, we can talk about the type, like type of 3.9. So is floating point, and type of 4 will be an integer. What about instead of asking what is a type of 4, we insert an image of cat or dog, and we will like machine determine if the image is a cat image or a dog image. So definitely traditional coding, all type of characteristic of dog and cat will not work. If you had a dog and cat like this, probably we could hard code it. But what about something like this, or even from different perspective? So solving this type of problem using traditional programming is going to get very complex and sometimes impossible. We must use some other techniques for this. Machine learning. Machine learning is a technique to solve this type of problem. So how it works, we provide lots of example to the machine, and we want that machine learn and algorithms to actually produce for us a program that we can use it. Like a program that I can install it in my phone and then use it by taking a picture, and my phone will tell me if that's a cat or dog. Another example, movie recommendation from Disney. Under our Disney account, we create a profile picture for my son and for my daughter. My son loves watch some action cartoon like Incredible, The Jungle Boy, Cars, The Lion King, and my daughter loves to watch Moana, Frozen, Cinderella. So they watch almost two different type of cartoons. So if we select Elodie's profile picture, we will see all kind of cartoons related to what she was watched previously or what she will like to watch. So Disney uses machine learning to learn about our watching behavior. So if there are 1,000 movies in Disney group the movies followed by the watching behavior. So if there is a new episode of Frozen, Disney recommend Frozen 2 to Elodie's account, not to my son. And usually on the weekend when we are planning to watch a video or watch a movie, there are some arguing between my son and daughter, and they are trying to select their own profile, not the others. Great, we had two different examples of machine learning. The first one was supervised machine learning because we label our data, was cat and dog, and the Disney recommendations was unsupervised learning because we group movies by watching behaviors. And at the end, I'm gonna make a few quizzes about what we talked today.